So how do we actually fix our GameSir Tarantula Pro back button? So to be able to fix the back button, I was able to find one very quick solution. So basically what we need to do firstly is to connect it to our PC or laptop. So we need to connect the controller to our PC or laptop, either via the dongle that you should have gotten when you purchased the controller, or via the cable that you should also have gotten when you purchased the controller. I'm gonna use the cable because it's so easy to connect it via cable. So I'm just gonna plug the USB-C end here, of course. And the other end I'm just gonna plug into the USB here on my PC. So I'm just gonna plug it in here. And quite often it's gonna turn on by itself. If it doesn't, just click on this button right here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna open up the GameSir Connect app here. If you don't have the GameSir Connect, by the way, you can just Google GameSir Connect download or something like that, and make sure to get it from the official website, of course. That is very important. And once you have gotten it here, you should be able to see it right here, and it's gonna most likely connect automatically. You can see it says Tarantula Pro here. So now what we need to do is to just simply click on this button right here where it says reset to default. So click right here and then just confirm. So I've already done this. You can see buttons, sticks, triggers, vibrations, lights, and other configuration will all return to default. So basically this will completely reset your controller, but what it happened, at least for me, is that it fixed my back buttons as well. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.